Welcome back to SPON Academy. Today's lesson is about how to install and authorize SPON ICPAS platform. First, let's learn more about the system architecture. The SPON ICPAS platform is usually deployed on a Windows PC. It requires access to the local network. Additionally, the other IP devices need access to the local network. Because the ICPAS platform is based on BS architecture, the user can manage the system and devices through a web browser. The other local PCs on the same network can also manage the system through a web browser. Next, we will review the installation environment of the SPON ICPAS platform. SPON ICPAS platform can be deployed on Windows PC and Windows Server. Additionally, it can be deployed on a virtual machine or a cloud server. Now, let's start installing the ICPAS platform. Run the installation package, following the steps one by one. After the installation is complete, the ICPAS application icon will appear on the desktop. Before using the platform, we need to authorize it. In this section, we will explain the authorization process. We offer 3 methods to authorize the ICPAS platform. The first option is the demo license, which is free for a 2-month period. After installing and accessing the ICPAS platform, the authorization box will pop up. Then you can send your machine code to the SPON team to obtain the 2-month free demo license. The second option is the USB dongle. Once plugged into the computer, the ICPAS platform will be automatically authorized. The USB dongle is compatible with Windows PC and Windows Server. The third option is the IP remote dongle. When the IP remote dongle is being configured and connected to the network, the ICPAS platform will be automatically authorized. Here, we recommend using the IP remote dongle to authorize the ICPAS platform on virtual machines and cloud servers. In this section, we will guide you through setting a static IP address for the SPON platform. Open the Network Settings page in Windows. Select the wired network adapter. Double-click on IPv4 and set a static IP address for the ICPAS platform. Here, we set 19.168.200 as the platform's IP address. In the last section, let's learn how to access the ICPAS platform. Start the ICPAS application. Click the Stop All button. Here, bind the correct IP address to the ICPAS platform. Click the Config button and verify whether the ports for each service are in use. If any port is in use, please contact the SPON team. Click the Start All button to start each service. After the status of each service shows checked, open the browser and enter the local IPv4 address to access the ICPAS platform. Enter the default username and password, both of which are admin. For security reasons, you must change the password first. Use the new password to log into the ICPAS platform. In this video, we have learned how to install and authorize the SPON platform, including system architecture introduction, necessary environment for installation, and platform installation. Set a static IP for the platform, and learn how to authorize and access the platform. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website, www.sponcome.com. Thank you for watching.